Hello everyone! So for today's ganap is aalis nga kami ni Danny papuntang dental clinic niya dahil it's time for cleaning her teeth as well as her fluoride treatment. So yung clinic is 5 to 10 minutes drive lang naman. So I'm really taking time to drive. 2:30 pa yung aming schedule. Pero 2 o'clock pa lang is umalis na kami. O, diba? 30 minutes gap, guys, yung nilaan ko talaga. Because I don't wanna rush it, especially when driving. So, nandito lang tayo sa Jeka Complex. It's a complex where meron ditong nagbebenta ng mga sabon, merong fitness gym, parlor, and laundry shop. Meron ding small restaurants. So, ayan si Danny. Papasok na po kami. Dito po kami sa J. Alipio Dental Clinic. We've been here for like 2 or 3 years na. So, lagi kaming nandito. Si Danny is suki na dito, no? Kahit sa pagpapabunot ng ngipin or pag-cleaning as well for me. Ang ganda ng ambience ng clinic, ang bango at ang linis, guys. Especially yung banyo nila, ang bango. So, that is the J. Alipio Dental Care. Marami silang services and meron din silang Facebook. You can look their Facebook page, J. Alipio. And yeah, so, as what I've said, 2:30 pa naman yung aming schedule. So, nag-antay-antay muna si Danny. So, 2:15 pa lang dyan. So, I think nagre-ready na rin si Doc. So, yeah, let's go. Pasok na tayo. It's just a small, cozy place. So, ayan si Daddy, nakapaapa nga yung bata, So, nagkakwentuhan lang sila ni Doc and as well si ate. Ayan, si Danny nakaupo na nga. It's good kasi si Danny wala na siyang, parang hindi na siya kinakabahan or umiiyak. Before kasi guys, si Danny, every time we went here, is umiiyak siya. And ayaw niya talaga, ninenervyos yung bata, even though cleaning lang. Siguro may phobia siya before of what happened in Dubai. So yeah, doctor said just take her time para mawala yung nervous niya. So ayan, nagre-ready na nga ako is dito lang din sa may gilid nakati.
Okay, very good. Very good, and then you drink water. So? Okay, go. Very good. Lisa? So, she's not going to cry. Ganun yan now. Wait, okay na. Okay, oh, you drink water, ha?
Wait a minute.
What?
What?
Okay, so
Do you have blueberry flavor drink?
only strawberry. Okay. Oh, you know.
So yan, I think that's the fluoride session na para nagpipaint-paint lang si Doc. So it only takes like 30 minutes lang ng time nyo. Napakabilis lang. And after the fluoride treatment, it's like 1 hour, hindi ka pwedeng uminom ng water and kumain. That's what the doctor said. So yeah, tapos na kami dyan and uwi.
Ano ka, girl?
So yan muna si Danny. O diba, inaanti niya yung
Hindi
cow.
na dat ano.
So yeah.
Main sa mong mata.